I just want to hop on here in real time just to say hi, hello, because I realized that I did not start the vlog at all. I'm actually editing and I'm going over all the footages, and I never once just started off the vlog. So that's why I'm here right now. Excuse the mess. I'm editing. Excuse background hustle. My office is a mess. Yeah, and I need to keep it down before I wake this little boy. He's been, I don't know what's been happening, but he's been attached to me like white on rice. Like when I say we can't even get that little I forgot my breath because I don't know if I'm gonna wake up. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm really not kidding. But yeah, that's why there was no vlog yesterday. I'm not saying that's an excuse. I did have footage, just not enough footage for a whole vlog. Cause me not gonna upload a 5-minute vlog. If that's what works for you, that's what works for you. But I at least want to have, you know, a good amount of content to give you guys. But hopefully I have enough, because some of these footages is just, you know, me doing things. My life is not that exciting. Well, it is with my kids, but you know, we can't show that every day, although that's what y'all gonna see anyway. But yeah, me not live no movie star life, just plain old regular degular me. My face look dry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know nothing much, but something. So I'm gonna finish this and post it. So hope you enjoy today's vlog. Y'all see how big this girl's getting? She's almost taller than me. And would you believe she's wearing my jacket?
It's amazing.
She likes oversized jackets. I'm just giving you 2 little puffs. Okay. This girl has she's
guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm here chilling with Zane right now. And I just got back from school. Right now, I'm here with Zane. And I was playing with my slime earlier. I don't know.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing? You supposed to be talking to them?
Yeah.
Don't be shy.
I don't know what to say.
You don't know what to say?
I only speak Zane language.
You don't know what to say?
Hold on. Alexa, what's the time right now?
Hey y'all, so
The time is 4:09 p.m.
No.
Aaliyah chose to start the vlog. Stop kicking me now. Oh my god. Aaliyah chose to start the vlog. So yeah. Here with this guy. Ow, ow, okay. You have me under lockdown. I was just editing, I took a little break. And now we're here. So Aaliyah wanted to come on and show some stuff she did in class today. Was it today?
Yes. So I did this, and so I did.
What is it?
It's supposed to be like a Christmas tree.
With your name on it?
Yeah, it says ALIYAH.
Yeah. Papa. Yeah, so.
And the other one I made this inside of a different class. I'm my teacher's class.
Ignore my messy office, y'all.
But I made this lollipop because
What does it say? You can't give it to your brother. Here was some put in. So that says Layla and me.
All done, guys.
Okay.
Looks good. Look at the baby.
I was editing and I'm taking a little break. I'm watching one of my YouTube girls. The channels I watch. Miss Aisha. What's wrong, Papa? Come. Yeah, so just taking a break. I'm gonna upload the vlog pretty soon. I'm just here with this guy because he's restless. But yeah,
Suddenly, I wasn't here.
I wasn't here, and suddenly I wasn't here.
All this stuff
All right,
in the
so
back of my car has to go to my mom's shop.
me soon in the next clip.
A few moments later.
Can I eat just one tiny little piece?
You can eat. So I made that TikTok ramen seafood broil. So I used ramen, corn, egg, shrimp, sausage, and and seafood sauce. And I've always made it. I just haven't made it in a long time. Maybe one of these days I'll do it on camera for y'all, but this is so bomb right now. I'm about to grub.
No, it's Grubhub.
The gods will use you. But
Are you ready to take a bath?
Help you. There is no eternal
Are you ready to take a bath?
reward for us. And you know who won't help us. I'll give you one guess.
Ew. Ew.
Your pain.
You got booger in your nose.
It will save her.
So,
And she
about to go give Zany Pool a bath. Jai's watching a movie. We just ate.
now I understand. I
You ready, Papa?
She does not have to grow up in a world
Ready?
of suffering.
Look at the chunky booty. Chunky.
By wicked gods. Choose love.
Yee, doggy.
Yeah.
Oh, big and kiss.
Look, say hey. Say hey. Say I'm going to take a bath. 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 Hey. Oh. He's gonna do it. We're watching Thor. Love and Thunder. Well, I've seen it before, but watching it again. Oh, you know want this seat. Cover it up. Cover it up, puppy. Alright, I'm gonna give him a bath.